Now demonstrating how to use the optical recognition function. First, open the app and navigate to the optical tooth recognition menu. Select the corresponding model for the Mazda vehicle type. Insert the original key into the optical key recognition device as prompted by the equipment. Perform tooth number recognition. Upon successful identification, click to cut. Clamp the new key as shown and proceed with cutting. Cutting in progress. After successful cutting, test whether it can be successfully completed. Can be opened.